Joint discomfort. It impacts millions of individuals worldwide. Did you realize that approximately 350 million individuals suffer from arthritis alone? That is not to include individuals who suffer from joint soreness as a result of normal wear and tear. Are you one of them? Do you wake up every morning with stiffness or find it difficult to enjoy your favorite pastimes due to a persistent pain? What if I told you that the solution to your pain may be found in a simple drink, not just one, but multiple scientifically supported drinks that you can create at home? In today's video, we'll look at the best drinks that have been verified by study to relieve joint pain quickly. But here's the catch. You must remain to the conclusion, because we will not only discuss which drinks work, but also how to incorporate them into your daily routine and how long it takes to notice the effects. You won't want to miss this. Your joints will thank you. Let's get started. Just a reminder that the information in this video is intended to be educational only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. Okay, let's get into the list of drinks that can ease joint discomfort immediately. Beginning with the first, chamomile tea (AMT tea) has been demonstrated to alleviate joint pain by targeting inflammation pathways in the body. A 2022 study published in the journal Pharmaceuticals discovered that apigenin, one of the major phytochemicals in chamomile, dramatically decreases pro-inflammatory enzymes such as QX2. This enzyme causes inflammation and pain in disorders such as arthritis. Chamomile also includes other flavonoids, including as-lutein and corset, which helps to reduce oxidative stress and the generation of inflammatory cytokines such as TNF-alpha and IL-6. Cham lowers joint swelling and stiffness by relaxing the inflammatory processes. The study found that regular consumption of chamomile tea can suppress the signaling pathways that cause chronic inflammation, resulting in noticeable relief from joint discomfort. For best benefits, drink 2 to 3 cups of chamomile tea every day. The tea is easy to prepare. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flower in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes, drain, and enjoy. Chamomile tea can bring relief after a few days and has long-term advantages. Consistent use over several weeks is recommended. Chamomile is a gentle treatment. This makes it a safe, long-term alternative for treating joint pain. Next, number 2, fenugreek water. Fenugreek seeds contain potent phytochemicals such as alkaloids, flavonoids, and saponins, which are known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant activities. These chemicals help to inhibit pro-inflammatory activity. Cytokines and interleukins are 2 molecules that play an important role in joint inflammation and pain. Diostin, in particular, has been researched for its capacity to suppress the action of enzymes that destroy cartilage, which is a major contributor to disorders such as osteoarthritis. A 2018 study, published in the journal Prostaglandins and Other Lipid Mediators, found that fenugreek seed extract significantly reduced joint pain and inflammation in arthritis patients. The researchers determined that the phytochemicals in fagra assist to lower oxidative stress and inflammation. Both are crucial for relieving joint discomfort and increasing mobility. To make fenugreek water, soak 1 teaspoon of the seeds in a glass of water overnight. Strain and consume the water on an empty stomach. For the best benefits, drink fenugreek water every day for at least 4 to 6 weeks. Anti-inflammatory benefits compound over time, so consistency is essential for attaining long-term relief from joint discomfort. Licorice tea comes in third. Licorice tea has received attention for its ability to relieve joint pain due to the presence of strong phytochemicals such as glyco-horizon, flavonoids, and saponins. These chemicals have anti-inflammatory properties, reducing swelling and pain in illnesses such as arthritis. Glycine, in instance, works like a natural corticosteroid. mimicking the impact of synthetic drugs that block inflammatory cytokines, which provide pain relief without the adverse effects associated with long-term steroid use. A 2022 study, published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, discovered that licorice root extract lowered inflammation markers in rats with rheumatoid arthritis via blocking the NF-κB pathway, a major cause of joint inflammation. This shows that licorice tea could be a natural treatment for arthritis-related pain. Soak 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried licorice root in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. For best results, consume 1 to 2 glasses daily. However, glycerin has the potential to increase blood pressure. It is best to limit use to 4 weeks at a time, followed by a break. Individuals with high blood pressure or cardiac issues should consult a doctor before using. Nettle tea is the fourth item. Contains a range of bioactive substances. Nettle tea is becoming widely recognized for its capacity to alleviate joint pain, particularly in illnesses like as arthritis, and contains phytochemicals such as flavonoids, polyphenols, and coumarins. Nettle works by blocking key pro-inflammatory cytokines such as TNF-alpha and IL-1 beta, which play an important role in the inflammatory process that exacerbates joint pain. A 2000 study published in The Lancet found that nettle extract considerably reduced joint pain in osteoarthritis patients. The study discovered that nettle's anti-inflammatory benefits derive from its capacity to inhibit COX-2, an enzyme that causes pain and inflammation. The same study demonstrated that nettle inhibits NF-κB, a transcription factor that causes chronic inflammation in the joints. In order to reap the benefits, steep 2 to 3 grams of dried nettle leaves in boiling water for 10 minutes before consuming twice a day. Drinking for several months is generally safe, but long-term use should be discussed with a healthcare physician. Joint pain relief may be noticeable within a few weeks, especially when accompanied with a healthy diet high in anti-inflammatory foods. Fifth, cinnamon tea. Cinnamon's significant anti-inflammatory qualities can effectively relieve joint discomfort. Key phytochemicals in cinnamon, such as aldehyde and eugenol, have been proven to inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are substances that cause joint inflammation. A study published in Nutrients in 2023 discovered that patients with osteoarthritis saw significant gains in joint mobility and pain relief after taking cinnan.